Hey everyone, welcome to Vaulty Tech, your ultimate destination for tech reviews and gadget guides. If you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best cameras for vlogging in 2025. Stick around until the end because the last one will absolutely blow your mind. It might just redefine how you vlog. Ready? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is the Sony ZV-E1. Designed specifically for vloggers, this compact mirrorless camera boasts a 12MP full-frame sensor for unmatched low-light performance. Its AI-powered auto-framing keeps you in the spotlight, literally. And with 4K at 120 frames per second, your slow-motion shots will look silky smooth. Priced at $2,199, it's an investment that delivers Hollywood-level results. Next up, we have the Canon PowerShot V10, a camera that fits right in your pocket. It's perfect for travel vloggers with its 4K video recording, a flip-up screen, and built-in stereo microphones. All of this, for just $429. Budget-friendly and powerful, what's not to love? For adventurers, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is a no-brainer. With 5.3K at 60 frames per second, hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, and incredible durability, this camera is built for extreme conditions. Whether you're hiking, biking, or diving, the Hero 12 Black has your back. And at $399, it's a steal for the performance it offers. Fourth on our list is the Panasonic Lumix GH6, a powerhouse for cinematic creators. Its 5.7K video recording, advanced color grading options, and unmatched dynamic range make it a favorite among filmmakers. Plus, with features like unlimited recording and advanced stabilization, you'll have no limits to your creativity. It's priced at $2,199, but for aspiring filmmakers, it's worth every penny. Last but not least, the Insta360 X3. This unique camera allows you to capture immersive 360-degree footage in 5.7K resolution. Its compact size, AI editing tools, and endless creative possibilities make it a must-have for vloggers who want to stand out. And at $449, it's an affordable way to add a new dimension to your content. And there you have it, the top 5 cameras for vlogging in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your game, there's a camera here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing tech content from Vaulty Tech. Until next time, happy vlogging!